Hey guys, welcome back to another video from the one and only the Maestro Speaks. Now, this video is just to show you guys how beneficial it is to look at the market for what it is. We're talking price action, staring you in the face because of the candlesticks movement or the movement of the candlesticks. Candlestick movement is how we as traders read, of course, the charts. We base our trades off of the movement of price, of course, using the candlesticks, because the candlesticks tell you a story, believe it or not. You know, you hear it over and over that the candlesticks tell you a story. That's all it's doing. It's telling you what price has done, what price may do, that's all it's doing. And when I trade in particular, I use no indicators. Okay? I only use Fibonacci, right? The retracement. That's all. That's all. But other than Fibonacci, I use nothing else. And I'm not knocking anybody out there who who use indicators to trade with, because indicators can be nice. All right? Indicators can be very, 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 very nice. However, I when I was learning trading, or when I was learning at the beginning of my trading career, I used to watch videos, with various persons, and they would have all these indicators on their screen. And believe it or not, I mean, oh, you talking about confusion? Because if you're like trading for the first time or learning how to trade, you barely this right here looks like ECG, medical ECG. With the medic when you go into the doctor's office and you're getting an ECG scan. That's what these things look like. I was like, what is this? I was like, what the? Because you're confused. Because the trading in and of itself is a language. It's a new language that you're learning. So you can imagine that adding insult to injury, because you're already injured in terms of your mind. Like, oh my goodness, what's going on? Oh, as a newbie, imagine now. I'm gonna now insert the Ichimoku, and even the name Ichimoku King Ohio. That in itself had me going berserk. I was like, what is an Ichi? What is that? That's not even English. This is in the mind of the newbie trader. So when you put the Ichimoku King Ohio indicator on your screen, look what's going on here. And I'm not knocking Ichimoku. It's nice because there are persons who profit a lot using the Ichimoku King Ohio, because of course, if you know the rules of the Ichimoku King Ohio, when price is above the Ichimoku Kinko Ohio cloud, it's a buyer's market, and of course, when it's beneath, it's a seller's market. That's the rules in a nutshell. But I choose to not use the Ichimoku Kinko Ohio. I choose not to use moving averages. And guess what? These are great tools to add to confluence in terms of your trading arsenal. It is a good thing. It's a very good thing to have, to add, to help you in that, to understand what price could potentially do or will do or will have been doing. But me personally, I like to keep my charts. I like to keep my charts very clean. All right, like that. Boom, clean charts. And in having a clean chart, you could see that okay, this price has been moving historically between these two areas of resistance and support. You could see that clearly. And of course, you wait to see what price will do when it gets at a certain. Now, that's if you have a long-term swing. This is the monthly chart we're talking about. All right. Now, of course, there are other levels. Um, when you scroll down in time frame, there are other levels that appear with the lower time frames. the weekly, the daily, etc. But I'm just basing this video from the monthly time frame because as you can see, when you really look at it, when you really look at it, this monthly time frame has one, two, uh, three, possibly three, possibly three, yeah, three, four, you know, five, six areas that it has reacted off of historically. So when you're trading, it is always beneficial to wait and see what the market does, especially when you use the higher time frame as the over getting the overall perspective of where the market can potentially go. Okay, so naked forex price action, that's how I trade, and I think it's a good way to trade because the candlesticks in essence tell you what price wants to do. You know, because realistically speaking, the market is only going up and down. Up, watch this. Down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Now it's going up. So of course, you can anticipate maybe here, maybe here, maybe even here, believe it or not, maybe even here, or here, the market will react. So you may have a reaction here, maybe. I doubt it. I doubt it. Here, here. You see what I'm saying? You just gotta wait and see. All right. So that's the end of this video. Thank you so much. And if this video was of value to you, I'd like you to please feel free to subscribe to my channel and also hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm. Thank you very much. You guys have a wonderful weekend. Take care.